Alright, so today we're going to be unboxing a Bird Air scooter and taking it for a spin, checking out the specification. So hopefully you guys are ready for that. Back in 2018, I was actually one of the first chargers of scooters for Bird in Santa Monica, and I ended up testing and trying a bunch of different scooters, from the Xiaomi M365 to the Segway ES2 to the Bird Zero to the Bird One, and this is actually Bird's latest and greatest iteration that's only available on their website bird.com or at Target. So I'm excited to dig into the scooter, see what it's all about, and unbox the thing, and probably take it for a spin too if we have enough time. So big thanks to Bird for sending me this scooter to review, and without further ado, let's open up this box. Alright, so I think the scooter only weighs about 30-35 pounds, but when it's in the box with all the parts and everything like that, it is a bit heavy. So you can sort of see what it looks like here. Obviously it has the all black. What's unique is that it does fold up versus the scooters that you might actually be familiar with riding. If you rent a scooter from Bird, they don't fold up, but a lot of the consumer versions of scooters do fold up, because that's one of the things that's most convenient about it. Also, it's got a unique silver tag. If you're used to seeing Bird, usually their logo is Bird in black and white. 15.5 mile range, 16 miles per hour. So definitely, probably not the fastest scooter on the market, but pretty fast. I'll read here on the back. It says, "Moves with you, your commute redefined, know the essentials, safety in mind." Here's just what the back looks like right here. So I literally haven't even opened up this box yet, so you guys are going to see this scooter first. Sometimes when people are unboxing, they unbox it and then unbox it for the camera. Well, I'm actually unboxing it right now for you guys. You'll see it right here. I'm cutting it open. Let's see what this is all about. Oh, the scooter, so you guys can take a look. Alright, pretty cool. Go ahead and put the kickstand up. So, looking pretty good, and you can see here, it looks like that's how you lock the scooter in place with this handle right here. Goes up and down. Alright, pretty cool. And then it actually has this is what attaches to, I think, what they call the brain, and so that's where these parts are. I'm obviously not going to read the directions. Let's try to do it on my own first, and then if that doesn't work, read the directions. I've done this before on different scooters, so I know. All you really have to do is actually just attach this little piece to the brain here. I'll stand up, give myself a little leverage. There we go. Alright, so definitely need to use a little bit of force there to get it in. And then it comes here with 4 screws and an Allen wrench, so I'll quickly put those in. Alright, you get the point there. All those screws. And then I think we'll go ahead and take it over to the computer now and review some of the specs so I don't mess that part up, and then we'll take it for a quick first ride.
Alrighty, so we're now over here on the Target.com website, and I pulled up the Bird Air Electric Jet Black, which is the model that I've got, and you can see here they've got a few different pictures, video, Bird Air, and a couple different shots. It's retailing right now for $599.99, and for myself, I saw that it was actually not available for same-day delivery, but you could pick it up at a location here in Los Angeles or get it delivered in about a week. If we go over the specs, this is sort of a lot of the marketing stuff. It talks about the portable design, the weight capacity, so you can basically up to 220 pounds. It's got 2 different colors, jet black and sonic silver. You can connect it to the Bird app on iOS for more features, which I'll probably try out later. It reaches speeds up to 16 miles per hour, so you can cruise by traffic, regenerative braking, like I talked about. The battery allows 15.5 miles of range on a single charge, so that's 36-volt battery, 8-inch pneumatic solid tubeless wheels. It's made out of aluminum, and then it does have that LED headlight and tail light. And then I also want to mention that it's got the 38.6 inches in length, 45 inches in height, 18 inches width, rechargeable battery, so we sort of already covered all of this. Weighs 30 pounds. Anything else that's interesting? Cruising range of 16 miles, and I think that's pretty much it as far as the specifications. Alright, so I'm gonna hop over to Bird app, turn my scooter on at the same time. And then go over to private birds. And then you can see here, it's got a nearby bird air. So I'll go ahead and select that. And then it's got my battery. I'm at 42%. I've never taken it for a ride, so it's right there. I'm gonna take it right now. And then it looks like you can actually control the light. Okay, that worked pretty well. Turn it on and off. It's got my code. Maybe I should blank that out and probably shouldn't share that. I don't know what that does. And then it's got Bluetooth, let's see. And then you know what? It also has the options for how fast you want it. So it's got 3 settings, so 1, 2, or 3. You can hear it beeping in the background. So pretty straightforward. It's got some functionality there.
All right, so we've got 42% battery, so we went over the specs and I got it synced up to my phone on the Bluetooth, set it for the fastest speed. So let's take it out for a quick spin now. Just got back from my first ride. Sorry, I had to come into the garage because it was a little bit windy, but definitely a smooth first impression with the scooter. Got going up to 14, 15, 16 miles an hour. So I think in perfect conditions, you can definitely hit 16 miles an hour. The braking, the regenerative braking was pretty smooth. You don't come to an immediate stop, but you do have the stomp pad if you sort of need that emergency immediate stop. You know, it definitely handled, a lot better than actually, I was surprised, it handled a lot better than some of the higher end scooters I've ridden in the past. And I think it just shows you that, the latest and greatest scooters, even at the lower price points, at a mid price point at $600 compared to a $1,000 scooter from 6 or 12 months ago, is better technology, better parts, smoother ride. So this is definitely a scooter that I'm gonna look forward to riding around. And I think especially right now with the pandemic, a lot of people aren't sharing as many products and going inside of Ubers and Lyfts. So I'm really a big fan of these personal micromobility options like scooters, and you can definitely find me riding around Santa Monica and riding around them in LA in the future. So if you guys do have any questions, comments, or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out down below, leave a comment. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and feel free to reach out with any questions. All right, take care and stay safe out there.